everyone, today let's talk about the hub oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. The color is black and the size is internal diameter is 57 and the external diameter is 124. The sink is 14.5 and 29.3. It has OEM number. The OEM number is MH034169 and it's applicable to every truck. It is a real wheel hub oil seal, and this oil seal has many following features. It has vulcanized at a low temperature and with longer service life, more wear resistance, and high temperature resistance, oil leakage prevention, and mud pro water. Thickened spring, the spring is there. Thickened skeleton. We can customize this oil seal. If you are interested in this product, just send us our inquiries. Welcome everyone to inquire and order. I also can send you the free samples.